with inverter technology are more durable and reliable.
Never heard of ADC sensor technology, have you?
ADC sensor? What's that?
Well, LG has come up with ADC sensor technology. With these three sensors, LG ACs can ensure compressor health by sensing the temperature of the refrigerants as well as pressure to ensure the safety and efficiency.
Well, what do these three sensors exactly do?
The ambient sensor is responsible for sensing external temperature and adjusting the settings to decide on optimum cooling. The discharge sensor senses the temperature and amount of refrigerants. The condenser sensor regulates the pressure of the refrigerants.
Well, isn't it just like a dream?
It is, isn't it?
LG Dual Cool Air Conditioners.
Life's good.